So many parents feel defeated. They feel blamed when their kids aren't doing well. I was that parent that got the phone call, the email, the letter from school, and your heart sinks. And immediately, you start blaming yourself. Children are going to make mistakes. They're going to have struggles with skills. And we're going to be able, as the coach, to recognize, again, meeting our kids where they're at, recognize what's going on with our game plan and adjust and shift to help our kids to be successful.